Roses, with their fragrant flowers and wide selection, should find a home in just about any landscape, but they may not perform well if not planted and cared for properly. Hello, my name is Amy from Dayton Nursery in Norton, Ohio, and we have been growing roses at the Garden Center for almost 40 years. Today, I will share with you our expert tips on what to do and what not to do with roses. Do prune tall roses back to just 2 feet in fall to prevent wind whipping. Do prune roses in late March to the highest live bud. If the cut looks brown or tan, continue cutting until the stem is whitish. Do spray roses every 10 days for diseases with fungonal and bicarb. These will eliminate disease problems if the products are alternated. Do pile up 10 to 18 inches of bark mulch around tea and floribunda roses around Thanksgiving. Do deadhead old blooms to make room for new flowers. Do cut old flower stems above where you see 5 leaflets. Do apply fertilizer before rain if possible so it can get watered in. Do add sweet peat to the backfill of the soil while planting a rose. Don't prune climbers for 2 to 3 years after planting. Remove the dead wood only. This makes the plant develop and established. Do transplant roses in early spring or late fall only. Do not hit and skip, but rather keep a regular schedule for disease and insect control. Do water when the ground is dry. In temperatures above 85 degrees, water is needed so they will not dry out. Do not grow roses in the shade. They need a minimum of 6 hours of sun to perform well. Do apply 2 inches of mulch during the growing season. We recommend sweet peat. Don't spray pesticides while bees are active. It is best to apply pesticides after dusk. Do not use leaves to insulate for winter as they do not have enough insulating power. Do water with a watering wand and not overhead with a hose. Do break up hard clay soil with sweet peat at a 1-to-1 ratio. If bad drainage still exists, raise the bed 6 to 8 inches higher. Do not use beetle bags for Japanese beetle control as they could make the problem worse. Do not deadhead spent blooms after September 15th, as not doing so hardens off the roses for winter. Do not cut tea and floribunda roses lower than 2 foot in the fall as stored food reserves are in the canes. So there you have it, our expert tips on growing roses. Happy gardening!